Welcome! Today we're going to be covering how to claim the final 70% of the Shade Airdrop. The last 70% of the Shade Airdrop requires users to stake a small amount of Shade in order to unlock their final airdrop allocation. Thus why the final airdrop coincides with the launch of Shade staking. Users returning to claim their final airdrop will notice a distinct difference in the growth, activity and utility available within Shade Protocol's private suite of DeFi applications. Therefore, users who claim their Shade have multiple avenues to earn with it, such as staking it or providing liquidity. Now, let's get to claiming our final airdrop. First, you'll need to visit app.shadeprotocol.io/airdrop. You can also simply click the airdrop tab on the left-hand side of the Shade application page. Before you proceed further, you'll need to connect your Keplr wallet. On this page, users will be prompted to create a query permit in order to view their airdrop information if they haven't already done so. Query permits are a free tool that allows users to view and prove ownership of their encrypted data on secret network. Once you successfully create a query permit, you'll be able to see the Shade airdrop interface. On this UI, users can see the progress of their Shade airdrop claiming, as well as options to complete tasks and collect all of the various portions of the Shade airdrop. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the third option, staking. Users should be able to see the amount of Shade they'll be claiming from the airdrop by completing the staking task. Simply click Stake and you will be directed to the staking interface. In the user staking information portion of the UI, users will be able to see the total amount of Shade they have staked, the current APY for staking, as well as their unclaimed rewards. Now, input the amount of Shade you'd like to stake. There is a small minimum amount of Shade that is required to be staked, but 0.1 Shade should do. Now, approve the transaction in your Keplr wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the staking task to unlock the last 70% of your Shade airdrop. Now, you will need to revisit the airdrop tab on the left-hand side of the application. Once on the airdrop interface, you will see a button to claim and migrate your Shade tokens received from the airdrop. Click Claim and Migrate and approve the transaction in your Keplr wallet. Congratulations! Now you are free to stake, LP, hold, or trade your Shade and participate in private DeFi. As growth and activity within the Shade protocol ecosystem continues to grow, Shade stakers will be able to directly partake in the governing and growth of revenues generated by the protocol. This means all activity and fees from ShadeSwap, ShadeLend, Silk, Stake Secret, Shade Bonds, protocol-owned liquidity and more to come all go back to benefit Shade stakers and the protocol. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you have a smooth airdrop claiming experience and enjoy putting your Shade to work with staking.